Hey guys, today we're checking out this Yokohama Geolandar. I think this tire just came out about 6 months ago, the brand new Geolandar. It's called the CV4S. As you can see, it has the 3-peak snow rating. I love these side blocks. That's part of the reason why I got this tire. It kind of looks very cool. It says outside, it has the side blocks. On the inside, there are no blocks. These are 225, 55, 17. This tire is going on the 2023 Subaru WRX. So I'm going with a factory 17 diameter wheel to get more sidewall instead of going with maybe 18-inch. I was going to go with an 18-inch 245 45, but yeah, I decided to stick with the 17 to get more sidewalls. So, like I said, it's very cool to have these side blocks. And these threads, they're rated for 60,000 miles. So that's pretty long life. That's another reason why I got these tires. Because we have a lot of snow here in the winter in the north. So, to have the bigger sidewall, the taller sidewall, plus the threads, like that, yeah. And on the 4-wheel drive car like the WRX. The other tire that I was looking at, I almost got, was the Falken Wildpeak trail tires. But those tires, I believe, only has 45,000 thread life. And they're heavier, and they're more for off-road, so I don't go off-road that much. I go mostly just pavement and gravel. So these tires are lighter, last longer with a higher mileage rating. So yeah, I just went with these. 225, 55, 17. These tires will fit on the stock WRX suspension, but I am going to lift my WRX 1.5 inch. So it would be pretty cool with these tires lifted. Yokohama Maxx load. You can see right there. Max pressure 50 psi. Extra load. So I guess the 101V, that's the extra load. The other one is a 97H, I believe. So it's made in the Philippines. You can see made in the Philippines. So that I thought these tires were made in Japan, so I guess not. Made in the Philippines, DOT 14U. And there's another number right here. UPY6H7. Alright? So part of the reason I went with these tires, like I said, they're going to be lighter than the Falken Wildpeaks. So let's get a weight. $26.3. 26.3. So again, 225, 55, 17. So the wheels I'm gonna get is about 17 pounds. So that'll be a good setup. Not too heavy. You get the cold thread blocks, you get the 3 peaks snow rating, and you get the 60,000 mile thread. So yeah, I'm glad I went with these over the Falken Wildpeak trails. Alright guys, that's the Yokohama Geolandar CV4S.